How's it going? Today I want to talk to you how I assembled this metal platform bed frame. This metal platform bed frame was extremely easy to set up. What I was really impressed about it was the thickness of the legs that hold this thing together. Step one, we're going to start with the headboard. Now the headboard is almost identical to the footer, but it's going to take these A pieces, which are much longer. You want to make sure the holes are facing the same direction. This actually might work better if you lay it down rather than stand it up. It comes with an Allen tool to go ahead and tighten all these bolts, but I had a little ratcheting tool that worked a little bit faster. Step two, you're gonna go ahead and stand your headboard up and you can start attaching these arms. Now, it has a C and D, basically the open end of these U's where these middle brackets are gonna go. You wanna make sure that's facing the inside whenever you attach it. Looking back on this, if I would have laid the headboard down and just stood these up, it would have been much quicker. That's what I ended up doing on the footer, but you still can do it the other way. I did assemble this by myself. It took about 45 minutes, but with a partner, it would go a lot faster. Once those two arms are attached, you're gonna put this brace piece. Now this brace piece is piece I. You wanna make sure that the white adhesive strip is facing upwards because that's just gonna help you secure the mattress in place whenever you do set it on there. Step three, we move to the footer. Like I said before, very similar to the header. And you're gonna go ahead and attach the B pieces. And once again, make sure the holes are oriented in the correct direction. After that is assembled, you want to go ahead and put the C and D pieces. Again, make sure the openings are to the inside, and I did have that laid down and stood up the little arms right here, and it was much quicker that way. For step four, we're going to go ahead and put the same adhesive piece across that part for the footer. Step five, you're gonna go ahead and attach the pieces. Now, the K pieces are what I was talking about earlier, how they're much stiffer, much stronger. You go ahead and bolt down the bolts to attach the arms, and then you have your basic rectangle frame. Next, you're gonna work on that middle support bracket. Now, the support bracket is gonna be piece J. You wanna make sure the legs are kicked out to the ends, and in the middle, they are attached with piece L. And again, piece L is a much stronger foot that's going to be able to hold the weight of the mattress. For step seven, you're going to make sure the two ends are bolted down in place. Step eight, you come across with this crossbar. Now this is piece E, and you want to make sure that is lined up and you are bolting down the 3 bolts that go in those locations. Finally, step 9, you're gonna insert these pieces right here. Now, I just set them up top in each of the slots, and then I came back down and pushed them to lock in place. They do have these little holes cut out that allows it to lock, and once it's locked in, it is very secure. Overall, this is gonna be a tremendous bed frame for any type of room. It has that nice wrought iron kind of antique look to it, both on the header and the footer.